Hello guys, today I found a need to make a little upgrade to our storage shelf. It is because my wife used this supplement to calm down the cramps, but it is small bottles what takes too much space and leaves some empty void above them. Let's make something with it. Now I'm going to use my new iPad Pro for real work, not just for some notes. I like app called Shapr3D. I'm not sponsored, but it is great app for doing parametric 3D modeling on iPad. I took some measurements and started designing the bottle holder. I wanted to store these small bottles on the side of the shelf and automatically feed next bottle if one is removed. So let's make it. I used my Prusa Mini Plus to print this thing out. It took more time than I expected, but after a few hours everything is done. When I removed holder from the printer, I have to trim some edges because I used the brim to print it perfectly flat and remove only one support. Now it is time for final test the model. It is look that everything works just fine. I will put the link for this model to the description of this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It is huge motivation to get better and better. So see you in the next video.